Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. In today's video, it is just about empties. I'm just going to show you what I have in empties. Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. That was a nice one. I loved it. Loved it. Beauty Day Fine Fragrance Mist Bath and Body Works. I decided I wanted to try Bath and Body Works mist. This one smells really nice, divine, soft, and it's called Beautiful Day. I don't know if they still have it because I purchased this over 2 years ago. I just started using them. Seriously, I just started using them. My CeraVe SPF 50. This is the one with the white cast. It is done. So CeraVe is done. This one I won't be buying. I have the other CeraVe lotion which has SPF and it doesn't leave a cast. I went back to Walmart and find these and I bought two. This one is done. I'm now on the other one. Love these little wipes. They work really well. Those I love buying from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. If you come across them, use them. They are soft and gentle. Love these. Dark Kiss Shea and Vitamin E Shower Gel, Bath and Body Works. Oldie but a goodie. Every now and then they'll come up with some old scents. If you come across that one, you will love it. I love the old ones. The old ones are good. Colgate Sensitive Maximum Strength Whitening Toothpaste, done. This is Glow Oasis Mildew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. When I tell you I love this, I am going to look for it. This is done. You wash your face and you put this on. You use your hand, you pour it in your hand and you put it on it. It gives you a nice moisturized face before you put anything else on your face. This toner is delicious. Murad Hydration AHA/BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This one is done. I love this. A cleansing balm, Pink Diamond cleansing balm. This, you put this on and your makeup just slides right off. I would take it, warm it up in my hand because it melts, and then just lather it over my face and just wipe it. Sometimes I'll take a paper towel and just wipe my face off after I use this. So I love this. I do keep the boxes. Don't ask me why, but I do. It's an empty box and this is the container. Remember I told you I'm using it in a different way, and here it is. It's done. In the middle of this emptiness, I have some declutter. It is the Olay Mask Fresh Set, Pink Clay, Olay Mask Glow Boost White Charcoal, and Olay Mask Pore Detoxifying Black Charcoal. They're almost done. They are like all the way to the top, so I'm going to declutter them. They are very old. I had them before the pandemic, and since they're like this little bit left, I'll declutter them. I have a little set right here, the mini set from Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is the night serum. This is the eye serum. This is the face serum, and this is the night moisturizer. Those are the mini ones. And this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Mascaras. This is one I got from BoxyCharm. It's called Black Extreme Mascara. I like this one because of the wand. This is the wand. That's small. Love this wand. I think I will keep it for something. I don't know yet. But it's empty. It's dry, as you can see. Dry. Next mascara is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I've been loving this little mascara. It is now dry. I've been using it for a while. Favorite, which is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. It has nothing left, as you can see. It's dry, dry, dry. My lip gloss from my sister friend, MT. This is MT from my Wakanda Panin project. I had this 2 Victoria's Secret roller ball. This one is called Tease. Smells really nice. Candy Noir, which is candy black. If you look, you'll see there is like nothing left. You see the bottom? Nothing. The other one is Victoria's Secret Bear. Sexy smell. That's a sexy, strong smell, but it's nice. It's empty, as you can see. My Way by Giorgio Armani. Again, I keep boxes. I have used it up. Nice heavenly scent. This is Chantecaille, and it is the Bio Lifting Oil Free Fluid Nectar. This is so soft when I put it. A little goes a long way. I usually just put it at night. This is Giorgio Michael Kors sample. Done. Can you see? It's empty. Use that. These are such nice smells. They are nice smells. And the next one is Michael Kors Wanderlust. These are lots of samples. I have samples and I'm using them. The next one is Maison Francis Kurkdjian Paris, and it's called A la Rose Eau de Toilette. This smells so nice, but this smells delicious. This is nice. These are all the things I have used up. Some I would repurchase, but I have other stuff that I need to use, so I won't purchase them. But again, I thank you for watching and enjoying this little empties video. I hope that your day is going fantastic, and as usual, stay fabulous, remember you first, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.